Reel mower gear replacement. You have these plastic gears on both wheels. Here's an old one that I replaced on the other side already. You see how they're all wore down. We're going to be putting a new one on. You can see the difference in the gears. It's very simple. Just take your screwdriver and you pop off a hub. And after your hub's off, you pop off an E-ring. The hardest part about this is putting this E-ring back on. But it comes off pretty easy. Then the wheel just slides off. Then the old gear, all wore down, just pops right off. Then you have another small part that wears here in the kit. I'll put the kit name in the description. Is replaced by a new one. You just line up, then you insert the new one. Put on the new gear. Put your tire back on. Then you put your E-ring back on. The hardest part is getting this E-ring back on. Put your hub on, and you're all done. And your blade turns just fine. And you're ready for some inflation fighting. No more gas for your lawnmower.